What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to be doing a quick wig install for you guys. This wig is from JAMS So my model for today is Miss Jamila. This is my friend. She traveled all the way 6 hours to come get her hair done, which I feel so honored by. So just to make this video a lot faster, I went ahead and did her bald cap off camera. If you want to see how I do my bald caps, check out my other videos on my channel. This is JAMS Glam Room 613 hair that was watercolored a fuchsia burgundy color, which is very pretty and I love it. And as you can see, she's very excited to get her installed. But I'm going to go ahead and add some wig tape on the sides of her hair first. Only because I tend to notice that wigs do lift up a lot faster around the edges. So wig tape on the sides first and then bold hold after. After that, I'm going to do the per usual method, 3 layers, wait till it dries clear, lay it down, that whole blase, y'all heard this story 1,000,001 times, so y'all pretty much know how this goes. And like I said, after my 3rd layer, I'm going to go ahead and lay it down and, continue my process. So while that's drying in the front, I am going to sew down the back. Be sure that you keep in mind when you are sewing down the back of your wigs while the front has been just tacked down, you don't want to pull too hard, because if you pull too hard, your frontal will slide back. Once this is completely dry in the front, you're going to go ahead and razor off, like I said, razor off your excess lace and cut out her ear tabs. So any lace that did not get laid down the first time around, because sometimes you may have a few extra a little bit of extra lace that did not get laid down, which is not a bad thing, because you'd rather have not enough glue than too much glue. Because when you have too much glue, then you have to try to worry about scraping it all off, and that's all irritating. So any excess lace that did not get laid down, you're just gonna lightly lift that frontal up, and you're gonna add just a little bit of glue underneath and smooth it out as if you was laying down your entire frontal. And just go back in there and re-tack it back down. So now I'm just going to grab a few of my wrap strips. I'm going to have the client hold it down in the front so it can stay in place. And then I'm going to tie it down in the back. This is going to help for when I'm styling the wig and it's not, lifting and pulling all over the place. And also it's going to really help make this wig look very, very natural. And as you see, I'm going to use some flat iron curls to give her that nice, soft, elegant look that she really is wanting to go for. And I did add a few low, light layers in there too. And just to give her part a little more definition, I'm going to go in with some concealer for skin tone and just straighten it out. So that's it for this video today, you guys. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you care.